Hi, I'm Amanda Akins. I'm the owner of Hurricane Dixie Leather. I started this company back in about 2015 out my kitchen table. My husband needed a new pair of chaps for bull riding, and I thought, why not? I could try to make them. And I did, and then after that, they got more popular, and I was making different things at that time, from Bible covers to men's belts and things like that, and it just expanded from there. Here I'm working on a tumbler wrap. I've traced out the pattern onto my leather, and now I'm carving it. It's important to make sure that you get every line cut with a swivel knife. And then after this step, I'm going to bevel it, and then I'll use different tools to shape the leather how I want.
My name's Allie. I started working at Hurricane Dixie about 13 months ago. I help make and create most of the projects in here. I think leather crafting is a really cool trade because you can do anything from messing with cowhides to tooling leather, sewing. It's just kind of jack of all trades. We're small enough where everything is handmade and everything is made with love. We do our best on everything that we make.
I'm Shauna Alley. I have been here with Hurricane Dixie Leather since November of last year. I was hired on to do social media, customer service, and recently I've just been helping with a few of the easier side of the leather work. I decided to work here to be a part of something that is really great here in Pawnee, that is continuing to grow. And as a team working together here, all of us together, we strive to make it a pretty awesome place to work, and we have a lot of fun here.
Our most popular product are men's wallets and belts, and I'd say camera straps too. And I think that one of the most unique things about our store is that we're not just your everyday mom and pop leather shop. We use a lot of color and unique techniques that set us apart from others.
I hope our customers are satisfied with the quality of our work. I hope they get everything they want. I hope they're satisfied with the customer service and that we help them reach their goals with their ideas for their creations.
We hope that when we mail out our products that they receive the best quality leather work that we do here. We put all of our effort, our heart and soul into everything that we do to give them the best product and quality that they are hoping for when they order or purchase something out of the store.
What I'd like to say to our future customers is that we are a full Wrangler retailer. We have lots of Wrangler jeans and shirts, and we've also got some other fun boutique clothes, and all the leather goods in the store are made here in the shop, and we also accept custom orders.
Hi, I'm Shauna here at Where the Buffalo Roam in beautiful downtown Pawnee, Oklahoma. We are located right across the street from Hurricane Dixie Leather. We have a lot of beautiful and unique items for sale in the store, but our number one items are Navajo jewelry, Pendleton blankets, and Consuela. The owners of Where the Buffalo Roam are Charlie and Anita Franks. We have a great relationship with them. We send each other customers back and forth. We're a huge support for each other. It's a great place to shop, a beautiful downtown, so come see us in Pawnee, Oklahoma.